Hi, my name is Marco Lambertini. I'm the chairman of Giesse Group. Giesse is a part of the aluminium field history and future. Giesse in 45 years has become an established international holding company as the leader of its market. It is represented in main countries of the world and has a large world network of official dealers. But Giesse, above all, is a proud Italian designer and producer of its products, hardware for aluminum windows and doors. It is absolutely market leader in Italy, Spain and Greece. More than 40% of the new windows and doors in Italy use Giesse hardware. Giesse produces almost all products using the Italian plants. What is not manufactured in Italy has made by Giesse in our plants in South America and China, mainly for the local markets. Here we are outside our main plant in Budrio, where the most of our production is concentrated. I'm taking you into a virtual tour that is not virtual production, but everything is real, to see how Giesse works. Let's start, come on. It's not enough to have excellent design and perfect manufacture to make excellent products. Quality must begin with good raw materials. Our monthly consumption consists in 140 tons of extruded aluminum, 10 tons of brass hot stamping, 50 tons of die casting aluminum, 50 tons of stainless steel, 200 tons of die casting Zamac, 50 tons of Tecton polymer. The main manufacturing process is the extruded aluminum cutting and drilling. It represents 60% of the entire Giesse production. Since 1965, Giesse has developed its equipment and machinery to cut and drill aluminum. We prefer to work the part during the cutting process to reduce the product cost. We cut and machine 3 million pieces per month of extruded aluminum components. We drill 8 million hinges unit per month, and the overall Italian plant production consists in about 53 million pieces per year. It is 90% of the entire Giesse world production. Surface finishing is an essential phase of Giesse product quality. The corrosion protection function of surface finishing is decisive for product quality as it ensures usability. All the processes employed by Giesse are particularly gentle on the environment, and they use only materials that meet the strict occupational safety and environmental protection standards. All semi-processed aluminum and Zamac parts are tumbled prior to the external finishing phase. This procedure is used to remove any machine imperfections and any areas that could be subject to corrosive attacks, making the surface uniform for the next stage where the final finish is applied. Giesse uses surface pre-treatment processes to bring component surfaces into the ideal condition for receiving the final finish. Giesse finishes internally 95% of its products. Our R&D is constantly committed in seeking innovative and improving solutions on pre-treatments, paint application processes, and use of more performing powders. Giesse painting facilities are highly automated, and the process parameter control is managed by a very sophisticated software. Automation is very deeply developed in the assembling and packaging process. It permits a high production control with a very small error rate. Our errors are approximately close to zero, like the automotive sector performance. Industrialization at Giesse pursues the goal of maintaining constant quality, from first to the last detail produced, overcoming the difficulties involved in cases of huge-scale production. Everything at Giesse, from the most complex machines to the smallest mold, in each plant around the world, is designed and checked so that the quality is the best that the customer can expect in Giesse quality. Giesse is certified ISO 9001 since 1995. ISO 9001 established very high production control standards and very in-depth analysis. It let us find possible critical states in the processes and permit to develop solutions for a continuous improvement of quality. For example, the percentage of defects in our tilt and turn windows is 0.00001%, 1 per million. Some parts are produced by external Giesse partners. These partners are completely integrated in the Giesse productive homologation and control workflow. Giesse quality inspectors constantly visit their plants and check the production. In addition to the controls imposed by ISO 9001, Giesse wants to achieve voluntary product certification, and for this reason it's constantly controlled by external official laboratories through periodical inspections. Goods are going to you all over the world. Production is nothing without a strong and innovative technical department. Giesse puts more than 3% of its southern turnover in research and development and test laboratories. Let's have a look. visit is over. Quality is at the first place, anyway, anywhere, ever. Everybody can declare to work in quality. We prefer to prove it through the certification of our products according to internationally recognized norms, because we want to give to our customers the possibility to choose the best in transparencies. And we believe to be the number one. Thank you very much for your time. I'd like to have you here as our guest to show what we are doing every day. But I think this tour gave you a real idea of what we are, the leader in aluminum windows and door hardware.